Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type H2O in Excel. So very easily you can type this H2O in Excel by few steps. So firstly you need to type here H2O. Firstly I will increase this size. Now type here H2O and now need to select this 2, right click on it, and here you see this format cells. Just click on it and select this subscript and click on OK. So you see this, you can easily type H2O in Excel. This is a first way, and the second way, is so this is first way, very easy, and the simple way, just right click on it, format cells, select this two and right click on it, format cells. Now subscript, select this option, click on OK to very easily type this H2O in world. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.